Are you ready to experience the thrill of first-person view (FPV) flight without the usual complexities? The DJI AVATA 2 might be your perfect co-pilot. This sleek, lightweight drone offers a surprisingly intuitive flying experience, capturing smooth, cinematic footage all along the way. Key features: effortless flight control. The AVATA 2 shines with its user-friendly motion controller. With simple tilting motions, anyone can pilot the drone and capture stunning aerial videos. Exceptional image quality. A significant upgrade from its predecessor, the AVATA 2 boasts a 1/1.3-inch sensor, capable of recording 4K 60 fps or 2.7K 120 fps videos. D-Log-M color profile allows for advanced color grading in post-production. Improved flight performance. The AVATA 2 delivers a more stable flight experience with a longer battery life compared to the original AVATA. Safety features. Intelligent flight modes and safety features like emergency brake and turtle mode flips the drone upright after a crash provide peace of mind for new pilots. Crystal clear view. The DJI Goggles 3, with its high-resolution OLED displays and low-latency transmission, offers an immersive FPV experience. A standout feature is the real-world pass-through function, allowing you to see your surroundings without removing the goggles. Who should get this drone? The AVATA 2 is ideal for beginners and hobbyists looking for an easy entry point into the exciting world of FPV flight. Videographers and content creators will appreciate the high-quality camera and intuitive controls. What to consider before you buy? Weight restrictions. Be sure to check your local regulations regarding drone weight limitations, as the AVATA 2 might not be allowed to fly in certain areas. Optional controller. While the motion controller is excellent for beginners, experienced pilots might prefer the precise control offered by the DJI FPV Remote Controller 3, sold separately. Overall impression. The DJI AVATA 2 simplifies FPV flying without compromising on quality or performance. It's a great choice for anyone who wants to experience the thrill of flying and capture breathtaking aerial footage with ease. Price: starting at $999 for the single battery combo.